Here we see Harrells cubs are growing by leaps and bounds.
In their mind, they are the fiercest hunters in the land. Here we see a male giraffe walking toward the feeding ground. This particular giraffe is one of the hungriest of the species.
When the male reaches the feeding ground, he will use his unusually large neck and legs to reach high above the other animals, thus ensuring more abundant and nutritious food supply.
This particular genus of giraffe is known as a Julius dragonus.
Here we see a ravenous lion preparing its daily supply of meats.
As you can see there, I am dangerously close to the lion and definitely dodge his grasp.
Observe the hindquarters of the animal. This muscular and rippled section is vital to the lion's survival.
This can clearly be seen as the lion thrusts itself into the supply of meats. Here we have the mid-morning gathering of animals, according to rank.
This period is crucial for the relationships and bonding of the animals. They're still sitting, and oh, they have been startled. They have most definitely been startled by something.
Now here we see two alpha males fighting for the love of the female striped zebra.
Their ferocity and beauty is both equally amazing.
Alright, this is the freshman institution lab 10. Okay.
They're deadly.
Yeah, they are. If we open this door, we would surely be killed. It's out of the question we would be killed.
It is.
Okay,
See if I can zoom in there.
Now we have, if you observe, we have one in a green shirt there. It's trying to blend into the wall. See, it's using its green camouflage to blend into that green wall.
Very clever.
They are clever. Now as you go farther over, you see the males. The males are not the smartest of the group. They do not understand the art of camouflage and are not blending into the wall.
They don't even notice.
They do not. See, they are waving and obviously giving away their position. Teacher is coming. Run.
Here a pack of animals swiftly migrates into the opposing building.
At the back of the group, we see the beloved silverback gorilla herding them along. Now let's take a look at some of the bizarre mating rituals and calls of the HCA pack. Now here we see a peculiar monkey attempting to attract mates along with the attention of the camera.
He is, in fact, monkeying around, if you will. Oh. This female is responding to a mating call with a gesture of her own. This slumbering hippopotamus wanders about the room, looking dazed, confused, and a little exhausted.